Hello everyone. In this video, we will see a new exercise on Alteryx. The objective of this particular exercise is how to use the formula tool in Alteryx. So this is the formula tool which you are going to find out it in the preparation tab. So for this purpose, we have to input data. We will go now to this particular input output tab and we will drag this input data tool in this canvas. We have to connect the data. So we will go over here to this configuration pane. It will redirect us to the data connection window. Click on the files, click on select file, and we have to select any of the files. So we will select this copy paste sales. Click on open. So I guess there are two sheets. One of the sheet will be by default sheet 1 and another will be copy paste sales. So I will select this sheet 1. Click on OK. So you will be finding out the preview in this particular configuration pane. So I will just click on run. So whatever will be the results is it will be available in the results workflow. Whenever you are clicking on run or control plus R, then it will be run and the result will be available at the download in the results workflow. So over here the results is available, you can see. So there are 13 records displayed. Now I'll go to this preparation tab, drag this particular formula tool, connect it with this copy chain sale input data. So whenever I will click on the run, you will be finding the same results which were displayed previously. So it will now be displayed in the results workflow down here. The same it will be displayed. So you can see that the 13 records are being displayed over here. Now we can apply the formula. So over here, this is the output column. It says that select the column. We have to select the column. So these are the columns: product type, product state, type, region, and customer. So I guess there are 3 plus 3, 6 columns are there, 6 fields are there. So I'll select product type. So I'll make this particular product type, whatever will be the product type are there, coffee, espresso, herbal tea, tea. So I'll green tea likewise. So I'll make them in the uppercase. So I'll just type over here upper case. Yes. So it is being displayed. Click on tab, go to this particular string. Now replace this and type to which you are going to apply the uppercase. Type as product. Yes, product type. Now click on tab. So it is now displayed over here. The preview is capital, that is uppercase, copy. Now I will just click run. So you can find out that all the product type whichever is there is now displayed in the uppercase. So over here you can see that coffee. So these are displayed in the uppercase. So 13 records are there. So these are being displayed in the uppercase. So in the same manner, whatever we have to do, you can do it. So I hope you have understood